Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping interference. Close browsers and heavy apps in Task Manager so CPU and disk headroom open immediately. Once done, open Xbox game bar settings and reduce capture quality to 60% or a lower preset. This lowers bitrate and prevents frame drops. Make sure Windows and GPU drivers are updated because outdated drivers cause encoding stalls. While you perform updates, reboot to clear locked processes. A fresh boot makes the next steps reliable and measurable. Now focus on encoding and power. In Xbox game bar capture options, choose a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync so your GPU handles encoding faster and with fewer stalls. Next, set Windows Power Plan to high performance and test with game mode on versus off. Sometimes game mode competes for resources. Then limit capture frame rate to 30 or 60 FPS and downscale resolution if needed. Because lower encode throughput reduces dropped frames and keeps audio sync steady under. Finish by running short, controlled recordings to confirm improvements and watch resource monitor for CPU, GPU, disk, or network spikes that correlate with lag. If problems persist, clear the Xbox game bar cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupt settings. Make sure overlays from other apps are off. One key troubleshooting tip. If lag began after a driver update, roll back your GPU driver. Newer drivers sometimes introduce regressions, and reverting often restores stable encoding performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.